Have you ever felt like your mind is running a million miles an hour, and you just can't slow it down? What if I told you, there's a scientifically backed way to not just calm your thoughts, but actually reshape your brain in the process? This isn't spiritual fluff, this is neuroscience. Today, we're diving into the science behind meditation, and how it literally rewires your brain. Let's begin. Let's dive into the fascinating world of brain structure and how meditation impacts it. We're not just talking theories here. Neuroimaging studies, actual scans of the brain using advanced technology, provide concrete evidence. These studies consistently show that people who meditate regularly experience tangible changes in their brain structure. One of the most significant findings is an increase in gray matter in specific brain regions. These aren't just any areas, they're the ones intricately linked to emotional regulation, memory consolidation, and sustained attention. We're talking about key players like the prefrontal cortex, responsible for executive functions, the hippocampus, crucial for memory formation, the insula, which processes emotions and self-awareness, and the anterior cingulate cortex, involved in decision-making and attention control. These areas become more robust with regular meditation. So what does this all mean in practical terms? Translation? These are the very parts of the brain that empower you to stay calm under pressure, maintain unwavering focus amidst distractions, and respond thoughtfully to situations, rather than simply reacting impulsively. Meditation cultivates these areas, fostering a more balanced and controlled emotional landscape. Think of it this way. Meditation strengthens these brain regions like muscles being exercised. The more you meditate, the stronger and more efficient these areas become. And it's not just about the physical structure, it's also about the function, how these areas communicate and work together. Your brain operates through complex networks, much like a city's intricate public transit system. These networks facilitate communication between different brain regions. One particularly relevant system is called the default mode network, often abbreviated as DMN. The default mode network is what becomes highly active when your mind starts wandering, drifting away from the present moment. It's the network that fuels thoughts about the past, replaying old conversations or regrets. It's also responsible for anxieties about the future, worrying about upcoming events or potential problems. And, of course, it's the culprit behind overanalyzing social interactions, obsessing over what someone really meant by that text message or comment. But here's the fascinating part. Meditation has been shown to deactivate that very network. By quieting the DMN, meditation reduces the constant stream of self-referential thoughts. That translates to less rumination on negative experiences, less anxious overthinking about potential future scenarios, and ultimately, more capacity for being fully present in the here and now. This isn't just speculation or anecdotal evidence. It's a scientifically validated phenomenon. The deactivation of the DMN during meditation has been consistently confirmed in functional MRI scans across numerous independent studies, providing robust support for the transformative effects of meditation on brain function. Let's delve deeper into the science behind meditation. It's not just about rewiring the brain's neural pathways, it's also about profoundly influencing the very chemistry that governs our thoughts, feelings, and overall well-being. Meditation acts as a catalyst, triggering a cascade of beneficial chemical reactions within the brain. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated that regular meditation practice leads to a significant boost in key neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates mood, and GABA, which promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Furthermore, meditation elevates levels of BDNF, a remarkable protein crucial for neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections, and bolstering emotional resilience, enabling us to bounce back from adversity. Simultaneously, meditation actively lowers cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, mitigating its detrimental effects on both mental and physical health. So, what does all of this mean for you in your daily life? It translates to a greater sense of calm and tranquility, enhanced mental clarity and focus, and a diminished reactivity to stress, reducing the intensity and frequency of fight-or-flight responses. Through consistent practice, your brain gradually learns and internalizes the art of chilling out, developing a natural inclination towards relaxation and equanimity. And here's something truly fascinating to consider. Even brief meditation sessions, as short as 10 to 15 minutes a day, have been scientifically proven to significantly improve attention control, sharpening focus and reducing distractibility. and increase activity in key electrical signals within the brain. Specifically, we're referring to P300 and P200 brainwaves, which play a crucial role in cognitive functions such as awareness, attention, and focus. These waves are indicative of enhanced cognitive processing and improved mental performance. So the good news is that you don't need to escape to remote mountain retreats or dedicate hours upon hours to meditation in order to experience tangible changes in your brain and overall well-being. All you need is the willingness to begin, to take that first step towards cultivating a more mindful and balanced state of being. Start small, be consistent, and witness the transformative power of meditation unfold in your life. Now let's delve into the crucial concept of emotional regulation. It's a cornerstone of mental well-being, and meditation plays a surprisingly powerful role in cultivating it. Meditation fosters something called cognitive flexibility. Think of it as your brain's newfound ability to adapt and respond thoughtfully, rather than react impulsively. It's a fancy way of saying your brain gets better at not taking the bait when emotions come up. You know, that knee-jerk reaction we all experience from time to time. With consistent meditation practice, you don't just react anymore. You pause, creating a buffer between stimulus and response. You choose how you want to respond, rather than being swept away by the intensity of the moment. This is the space where healing happens, where trauma begins to soften its grip and neural pathways rewire themselves, forging new connections that support resilience and emotional stability. It's about reclaiming agency over your emotional landscape. And the benefits of meditation for emotional regulation aren't just anecdotal. It's been observed not just in personal stories of transformation and resilience, but also in rigorous clinical studies involving individuals struggling with depression, anxiety, and even the complex challenges of PTSD. The data consistently points to meditation as a valuable tool for fostering emotional well-being. One of the most exciting developments in the field? Scientists are now exploring innovative ways to enhance the effects of meditation. They're pairing meditation with non-invasive brain stimulation techniques, like transcranial magnetic stimulation or TMS, to study the effects more directly and understand the underlying mechanisms at play. This allows for a more precise and targeted approach to mental wellness. Early research suggests this powerful combo could significantly enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, and accelerate healing from emotional wounds. It also shows promise in improving focus, attention, and overall emotional balance. We're talking about a future where mental training practices like meditation and cutting-edge brain science walk hand in hand, offering personalized and effective solutions for mental well-being. It's a future filled with hope and potential. So, what does all of this mean? It means meditation is no longer just a spiritual practice, it's a biological upgrade. Your thoughts become clearer, your emotions become softer, your brain becomes stronger, and the best part, all it takes is your breath, your awareness, a few minutes a day. If you've ever thought, I can't meditate, I think too much, remember, that's exactly why you should. Your brain is listening, it wants to change, it just needs a little silence to do it. So, start where you are, sit, breathe, and let the rewiring begin.